Located only minutes from Double Bay, Bondi Beach and the CBD, this exclusive apartment perfectly blends indoor and outdoor living. Wow, this has got to be the best spot in this whole place. But I'm enjoying it quite a bit, and I might stop nattering and leave you to meander around and discover the rest for yourself. And sure, it has Caesar stone bench tops, 2 single Magic Eye garages with lift access, alarm and ducted aircon. But there's simply no going past the 3 separate outdoor entertaining areas. So as you can see, it's a beautiful home, moments to Bondi, a short walk to the shops, and one of the best things is it's pet friendly. Or not.